We can continue with the single part drawings, for example. That's also a matter of concern. So let's select a few random plates. Let's select this large plate over here. Let's select this splice plate over here, and maybe select a few small plates as well. And once again, you just right click and you say create drawing. Of course, you can select the whole building, and I don't want to waste your time, but just to show you, you say create drawing and you say part drawings, and the part drawings are created by the program automatically. And you can go to your drawing manager once again, and those three parts, you can see them over here. So let's open this one up, for example. This is the very small plate which we selected over there. It shows us exactly the material list and how many of these exist. 506 of these exist in the model, and exactly in which assemblies they exist, in what number, and all that. And then we can go to the other ones. For example, we can select this one. We can see that the larger plate that we had selected, once again, the material list is over there. It's been dimensioned. And let's go and double click the other one as well. And this is the splice plate which we had chosen once again. In which assemblies does it exist? What is the total count? What is the total weight? And obviously these are all customizable features. So this is a brief summary of the part drawings, and as you can see, all of them are very neat and clean, and they can be used directly.